Hello, we are glad to present you our project, Photovoltaic installation with the energy storage. The idea of the project is to create a photovoltaic installation with the solar panel's original arrangement and kinetic energy storage, which is located inside the installation. The consumer segment of such an installation can be an autonomous households, objects of military infrastructure, providers of the renewable energy, and others. The installation will allow to solve issue of temporary power supply in case of the complexity of power grid providing or smoothing load peaks due to microgeneration. Advantages of the designed installation over the existing ones are mobility, environmental friendliness, compactness, energy efficiency, high resistance to wind loads, thermal stability of the accumulator, and unlimited number of accumulators charge-discharge cycles. A potential consumer may be interested in this device since it's easy to install and maintain during its operation. The installation consists of a light pyramidal frame with solar modules installed along the edges. A flying wheel design with a motor generator system, additional magnets and coils are installed inside the device. That allows significantly reduce the self-discharge of the flywheel during long-term energy storage. The predicted efficiency of such a storage system can be up to 90%, which is much higher than in chemical storage. There is no need to adjust the installation location according to the sun position due to the original solar panels arrangement. Nowadays, demand on the alternative energy sources market is growing rapidly, but currently existing solutions cannot fully satisfy it. Therefore, the offered solution can take place in this market. So far, the market of alternative energy sources is not saturated. The main problem of such sources is the energy storage system. Traditional chemical batteries have a few disadvantages, such as temperature dependence, limited number of charge-discharge cycles, the danger of deep discharge, and the disposal problem. There are also troubles when photomodules are installed in a row. The resistance to wind and snow loads should be provided. This is especially problematic for mobile temporary power supply systems. The offered support system and kinetic energy storage can decrease the risk of the mentioned problems appearing. The cost of the installation depends on the power and consists of the photomodules, frame, flywheel, power control and conversion systems costs. In mass production, the cost of the flywheel will be much lower than the cost of a same capacity chemical battery. The scale of device production depends on the capacity of the manufacturer and can be in a range from tens to thousands units per month. The preliminary design documentation has been developed. According to this documentation, a single 100 watts prototype was manufactured, but it was lost due to a full-scale invasion of the Russian Federation. Only the electronic part of the installation was saved. However, it is planned to reproduce an installation prototype and research its operation in detail to improve its efficiency and further production. The offered solutions are patented and partially described in scientific articles. The new project team consists of qualified specialists in the field of electrical engineering, electrical power engineering, and information technologies. We have a variety of implemented projects behind. Most of the necessary funds have already been invested in equipment and materials that were lost due to the war. Therefore, now it is required to reinvest funds in the creation of an installation prototype and its research. We invite you to join our team to support installation manufacture, its operation research and design improvement for the purpose of further mass production and sale.